In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know how to make each subscriber feel like your message was written just for them, using Mailchimp's built-in personalization tools. This is a simple enhancement that can lift engagement, improve open rates, and make your brand feel more human. Start by opening Mailchimp and signing in. On the left side of the dashboard, look for the main navigation and head to Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns live, including drafts and anything you've scheduled. If you've already created a campaign or a specific email you want to personalize, find it in the list and click into it. You can personalize a one-off email, a campaign with multiple emails, or even a message that's part of an automated journey. The process inside the editor is the same. Next, click Edit Design to open the email editor. This is where you'll make your content changes. Give your email a quick scan and find the spot where you address your audience, commonly the opening line. If you currently have a generic greeting like "Hello customers" or "Hi there," click into that text block. Highlight the placeholder word you're using for the recipient so you can swap it for a personalized field. With that text highlighted, look for the Merge Tags option in the editor's toolbar. Merge tags are short codes that pull data from your audience, such as a subscriber's first name, last name, or email address. Clicking Merge Tags will show you a list of the fields available based on the information you collect. While you can use last name or email address, we'll go with first name for a friendly, conversational tone. Click First Name. You'll see a small code appear in your text. This is Mailchimp's first name merge tag. In the editor, it looks like a placeholder, but when the email is delivered, Mailchimp replaces it with the subscriber's actual first name from your audience. For example, Hi First Name becomes Hi Taylor or Hi Jordan for each recipient. Take a second to tidy your punctuation and spacing. A simple format like Hi First Name or Hello First Name reads well and keeps your greeting crisp. A quick tip on data quality: the name that appears will match what's saved in your audience. If someone signed up in all caps or all lowercase, it will display that way. It's a good idea to keep your audience data clean so names look natural. Also, if a subscriber doesn't have a first name on file, Mailchimp can use a fallback value you set in your audience settings, like there. That way, Hi First Name becomes Hi There instead of leaving a blank space. While you're here, you can add personalization in other parts of the message too, such as in subheadings or the body copy, where it makes sense. Just avoid overusing names. Once or twice is usually enough to feel personal without being repetitive. The same Merge Tags menu lets you choose other fields, like last name or email address, if that suits your tone or purpose better. For example, B2B messages might prefer a more formal greeting with a last name, while most newsletters benefit from using first names. When you're satisfied with the greeting and any other personalized spots, click Save and Exit. This returns you to the campaign overview. From here, you can proceed with your usual sending flow. Review your subject line, audience selection, and send settings, and then send your email when you're ready. Personalization will automatically apply to each recipient at send time, so there's nothing else you need to toggle for it to work. That's it. You've personalized your Mailchimp email using merge tags. It's a small change with a big impact, and it keeps your communication warm, relevant, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy sending.